The Hydra BioAFM is a unique platform for investigating with AFM technology biological systems. It readily integrates with such components that are often used in biology and in neurobiology, which is the patch clamping pipettes. It can integrate with other types of pipettes. It's totally optically integrated, and it has a unique facility of having more than one probe. And these probes have been shown to come into physical contact with one another. The nano toolkit of probes allows for a wide variety of measurements, from nanopipettes that can deliver drugs at specific locations with AFM control, and in addition, can do nano-optical measurements at the level of palm or storm, and can be fully integrated with upright microscopes, since the optical axis is completely free. It can even be integrated with dual microscopes, and that is seen over here. So from all points of view, the platform, which allows for very fine force sensing, as shown by the fact that the probes that are multi-probe friendly as part of the nano toolkit can be physically brought into contact, makes this system, both from a force sensing perspective and from an integrated biology perspective, very, very important. And if one chooses, one can obtain these systems one probe at a time and have all the facilities of patch clamping with one probe and other biological methods that can be integrated, and add a second probe at will in the future.